Banana Highland. All you need to do to get a plot here for 7 million naira per plot is to call Madam Peco Africa on 0903429651 to get your own plot. The plot is just 7 million naira. And the way that they rush this road like this, you be like say something there. Come make I tell you. You be like say they don't see one gold here. Don't talk and say that me talk about. You see how Madam laugh. See, Madam know the secret what they do. Something.
She's not gonna kill me.
The way people they rush this thing, something there. You see this land where I stand, this soil, something there.
Well, you can see what is happening. The work has actually started. Just see the expansion. This is the roundabout connecting to Alito and Alisa. So you can see you don't need anybody to tell you, you know, what is happening here right now. The whole place is something else. The work is massively going on right now. There's an ongoing project going on right now. See how beautiful the place has turned to. I was there last week. It wasn't like this, but everywhere now has been played. So what are you waiting for? Why not connect to what is happening right now? Because like I said earlier, that opportunity to invest in real estate is an avenue to escape poverty. If you don't want to be stranded financially tomorrow, please put your money in real estate. That is what will guarantee your future finances.
You don't hear and finish. Oh, quickly call Madam Peco on 0903429651 to get your own plot of New Banana Island for 7 million naira per plot. Now, Madam Peco Africa Day, yeah. Quickly rush, come on. We are leaving to another layout.